fortunately, as early year students, you may not be, you may not understand all the complex words, but I believe you are young enough to remember all the words and terms I talk about here. And if you remember these words, after maybe 3 years or 4 years, you are in the study of graduate study or do research, you may sort of that, oh, Dr. Zhu said, okay, such and such. Okay, if you can remember that, I believe it's a success of this presentation. Also, if you have any questions, you can put your questions in the chanting parts, and after that, I will collect and answer questions. Also, you can raise your hand if you cannot understand sometimes and stop me, okay? And the contents here include the major parts is what do you mean by collaboration and what is role-based collaboration? I simplify it RBC. And what is the e-cargo model? And what is group role assignment? And what is group role assignment with constraints? And I will give you a summary in the conclusions. About collaboration. Yeah, and I think all of you understand what it is about collaboration. So you mean if you want to work with others, you are doing a collaboration. And if you want to accomplish a task, but you cannot do by yourself, you need collaboration. You need teamwork with others. Okay, if in a general description, collaboration is an activity or process that involves more than one agent to participate in. Yeah, more than one, not just one. And you will also find that I may extend collaboration more than two. Okay, normally I say two people, mainly on interactions. Okay, not much affair about collaboration. Okay, only more than 2 or 3 more people, you need to consider a lot of issues in collaboration. Okay, so, and also to be skillful in collaboration requires a lifelong time to learn and practice. You mean in your university study, you may find that your professors will tell you abstraction is a very important skills for any student to study. And I believe another one in
Sorry, you're not audible. Sorry.
I was muted.
Sorry, I by chance clicked somewhere. Sorry.
Okay, so now is to be skillful. Okay, in collaboration is at the same level of to be abstract. Yeah, and also a team is a group of people who are mutually dependent on each other to achieve a common goal. So you have a team, and then you have a common goal. So that means without collaboration, we do not have, there would be no teamwork. So we can see here, collaboration equals teamwork. I need to be rushed because time is a little bit tight. Okay, and here why we do teamwork. So this is a survey, okay, from a popular website. You will find an interesting result. Okay, so here said over 95 of the surveys answered that teams are important. Okay, but only 24% prefer working in teams. That's a big deal, right? Everybody know, most of the people knows it's important, but not many people likes to do that. Canadian question is even 6 to 8% have worked in a dysfunctional teams. So that means, okay, even though you work in a team, but you find sometimes it doesn't work. It does not work well. Okay? It does not work well. Another one is 14% even find verbal confrontations. Their argument, there is quarrel. Okay, so that's 40%. And 15% even find there is physical confrontations. They are fighting. Okay, even not just quarreling. So this is a big challenge for collaboration research. That's why we need to put effort in research, in collaboration. So my goal in my research is simplified as collaboration made easy or collaboration made efficient. Yeah, so you can, through modeling, through algorithms, through methodology. So why do we do research? Yeah, research has all the properties for a research topic. So you can see it's required, it's challenging, it's valuable, it's interesting. Yeah, so doing research needs us to be interested. Okay, and because there are much fun in it. If you find some properties or something, some new finding never discussed by others, you will be very happy with your findings. So, and about collaboration. So, from Eastern thinking methodology, I believe maybe in India is also has such kind. We need to check the nature of something, right? If you grasp the nature, you can delve into it to get the real work. Okay, you can work to make it really workable or efficient. So here we can see collaboration is involved with people playing roles by sharing. Now we introduce roles. Roles are very important stuff. So if some of you have learned object orientation, so the graph here, you see here is in a class in UML. Okay, that means a class is composed of two stuff, people and roles, and the basic function in this class is sharing. Okay, sharing what? Okay, we can discuss more. Okay, here you can see we can even share views, share viewpoints, share resources, share money, or share experience, or share your data. Yeah, so that's a lot. So, and also continue the nature of collaboration. Okay, you will find that the basic two step of collaboration is distribution and execution. First, when we mention about collaboration, that means you need to work for a task. The task should be specified, should be evaluate the participation, and then assign the tasks and try to do optimization in assignment. After you have done the task assignment, okay, and you will let all the agents work on it lonely or individually. Yeah, individually, of course, you need process, sharing, negotiation, interaction, coordination, decision-making a lot. You know what? Our conventional research in the world, in this Western world, okay, mainly for the execution part, okay, they are mainly talking about cooperation. Yeah, so for each agent, how should it do to get a better collaboration result? But in role-based collaboration, we just put more effort on the first part, okay, around about collaboration. So this one you can see its distribution and cooperation is interleaved. If we can separate clearly, more we can get. Yeah, because now the difficulties or complexity in cooperation means a lot of overlap between these two parts. Yeah, so that's why collaboration is hard. So here, yeah, you can think of a question. Okay, I see. If we have task distribution and task execution, you can think about which part for us with our